With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi students, here two statements are given and you have to say that if the statements are right or wrong. So statement A says human skull possesses two occipital condyles. So human skull, we know that it is a part of our central nervous system. The skull, it protects the brain. So the human skull, it has two large protuberances meaning that something that emerges out. So it has two large protuberances on the undersurface of the occipital bone. So there is a occipital bone on the skull. So there are two large, we can say two large openings or two large protuberances. I'm writing it down for you. This is the right word. And it is present on the underside of the occipital bone that is present in the skull. And thus these two protuberances, they are known as occipital condyles as they are present on the underside of the occipital bone. And these occipital condyles, what is their function? Their function is to connect the skull to the vertebral column. Okay, so the connection between the skull and the vertebrae, that is maintained by this occipital condyle, and it is present in the front half of the foramen magnum. So this statement, the human skull, it possesses two occipital condyles. It is true. It helps to connect the skull and the vertebra. So this is a true statement. The second statement given is human ribs are bicephalic. So here bicephalic meanings having two heads, something which has two heads or two openings, it is known as bicephalic. And if we see a human rib, then each rib, it has two articulations on the surface of its dorsal end. So articulation, we can say opening. So two articulations are present on the on the dorsal end, on its dorsal end. And these rib, what are they? They are thin flat bones and they are connected dorsally to the vertebral column. So on the dorsal end, they are connected to the vertebral column, and on the ventral end, they are connected to the sternum. So on this dorsal end, it has two openings or two heads, which is known as, thus the ribs are known as bicephalic because it has two ends on the dorsal end. So here this option is also true. Thus both statement A and B, they are correct here. Both the statements are correct. So this third option, this becomes the right option for our question. I hope this solves your doubt. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.